What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Daniel here with another quick video on trying to tell you guys how to get some good deals on rental cars. First of all, I want to start this video off by saying hope everybody that's been affected by the recent hurricane, I hope everybody's okay. Saying that, usually when there's natural disasters like this, rental car prices tend to go up because they like to send all their cars to the one area, try to make sure everybody's got cars and stuff. So I figured I'd get on here, maybe help you guys figure out a quick way to get a good discount on a car. Usually when I'm traveling, I head around, we usually travel to Florida, things like that, around Florida. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys just a couple deals, you know, I mean, just to help you guys out. But usually when I'm renting a car, first off, I always stop at Alamo, always stop at Alamo. That's always where I'm gonna stop off first. Alamo is, you know, it's a discount car rental place, but you know they're straight to the point. They don't Alamo. There's no hidden fees. They're not gonna play you around. What you see is what you get, and usually their cars are top notch. Okay, so I just want to show you guys, you know, like the best way to get a deal. First of all, you always want to join the little clubs. You know, a lot of these places, you know, they always get their they always get their discount dens or they have their little discount clubs. Alamo has Alamo Insiders. It's free to join. You just give them your email. You'll get like coupons, stuff like that in the email. But you also get a 5% discount every single time that you rent a car. That helps out. Might not be a lot, but hey, in times like it is now, anything will help. So always make sure you always join their club. Alamo has Alamo Insiders. Avis, they have a club, and Budget, and so on. I'm gonna start off with Alamo. Just kind of want to show you guys the different types of companies that I like to use. I usually tend to try to stay away from places like Kayak, what is it, Hotwire. They always advertise that they have these good deals. I've yet to see one. If you guys can show me and get a better deal, I'd be happy to see it. Every time I've ever used one, I ended up overpaying, and the only time that I did use them was if I absolutely had to. But if I can't, I always try to go straight to the main, go to the supplier. I usually always try to do like the Fort Myers area. I'm just using this for example. Most of this stuff will work for everywhere. The prices might not be the same. Like I said, you know, with hurricane, prices, you know, could fluctuate. It's sad to say, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off just showing regular, no discount, no nothing. We'll just do a week. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, for a week you can get a mid-size SUV for $280. That's actually cheap. Last time I looked, it was usually about $300. Like see, standard SUV, it's usually about $300 to $280. That's a pretty good deal from what I usually see. There's even a cheaper one. It says, but you know, this is what I like about Alamo. There's to the point, straight up. You know, right here's the total. If you want to prepay and if you want to pay later, it's the same. They're not going to hit you with the save some money by giving it to us first. I don't like that. It's one of the reasons why I like Alamo. Now I'm gonna switch over here to Avis. I'm gonna show you guys why I like Alamo so much. So we're gonna go to Avis and I'm gonna show you the difference. If you are gonna use Avis, make sure that you join the club. But when you join the club, if you are an Amazon Prime user, make sure that you do this because it saves you all kinds of money. Make sure that you link your Amazon account so you can save an extra. You save 30%, and then you get an extra 10% back on an Amazon gift card on every rental. Plus, you get points in their club that you can use on rentals and stuff. That's the cool thing about Avis. That's why I use Avis if I can't use Alamo. It's a pretty good deal, but to me, I mean, I could be wrong. I'm not saying it's just the stuff that I see, but I'm gonna say that the 30% off after the discount, it's the same. It's about the same price that you're going to pay from Alamo without a discount. See, make sure you always log in with Amazon. Make sure you always sign in with Amazon, get that extra deal. See right here, it's amazing. Okay, wait. You see, when it comes to renting from places like this, you always got to do that, because Avis, unfortunately, isn't like Alamo, and they're not all the way up front. Okay, so right here, this is where they're going to get you. You're going to come in, you're going to see this, and you're going to be like, oh man, well, what do you mean, Daniel? You know, these prices are here are way cheap. That's $100 cheaper. What do you mean? That's not the case. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, you do get the $21 gift card from Amazon, but this price is not the price you're going to pay. Plus, they're going to hit you with, if you pay me now, you save a little bit of money. You know what I mean? I mean, you do save what? What is that? Was that $40? $32.40. I can't believe I just said. So you save $32.40 if you pay now. But that's the thing. That's not the final price. They still went in and add taxes and all that other stuff. So you got $244 right here. That's what it said, right? $244. Okay. Plus you get $18 back. All right. Now, Alamo's was $280. Okay. So this one, I love Alamo, but I'd probably have to go with Avis on this one. But just make sure you pay attention when you're going through Avis, okay? Because if you don't pay attention, they'll get you. If you got Amazon, get that good deal. If you don't have Amazon and you don't feel like starting up a Prime account, always make sure that you go when you go. Make sure you always check out the offers section in Avis, because to be honest, you don't always got to have that. You don't always have to have the Amazon discount card. Usually on here, they'll have like a 30% off, get a 10% back. Here's a 25% off, base rates 5%, donate to Make-A-Wish. That's pretty cool. See right here, you're saving 30%. It's their best pledge. So Avis, you know, it seems like they pretty much always will get, even without that, you can always get a 30% discount. Also, if you got some time and you want to mess around, you could actually stack I've actually stacked like a last minute travel deal with another coupon. Like you can stack the Amazon discount. You can stack that with like a free rental car upgrade and get a better deal if you want. If you guys want, I can show you guys in another video. Just let me know down in the comments. So with all these places, another tip I want to give you guys is you always, you don't, whenever I rent a car, the last thing I'm doing after I run that plane is I'm not trying to go deal with somebody at the counter. I'm trying to get in my car and go. Okay, so that's the first thing that always brought me to Alamo was they have it. It's called Skip the Counter. Where's it at? All right, so they got this thing called Skip the Counter, and you have to be a part of their club. You know, that's one of the thing. So Skip the Counter. When you get off the plane, before you leave, you want to print off your rental information. You get off the plane, you ain't got to talk to nobody except for the dude in the lot to point you, tell you where your car is. You get off, you show him the paper. He looks at it. He says, go get you. He goes, right over here's this section's your car. You get in it, and you pull out. You go to the gate, and you hand that paper, and then if you're not prepaid, then you just hand them your card. They make sure it's the same card, and you're on your way. It's fast and easy. This has been the easiest thing I've ever done. Now, if you want to get that extra $40 discount, like we've seen, you go to Avis. Now, they do have the same kind of deal, but this is the one thing I didn't like about it was they don't tell you is even if you do it, you're not going to do it. You have to join the club and sign up for it. But you have to go to the counter and actually set everything up, even though you did it online already. You have to redo it again at the counter. And that was the one thing about their program I didn't like compared to Alamo's. Budget's the same, it's the same company. Prices sometimes, that's why I have them both up, because sometimes Avis and Budget, they both Sometimes the prices are a little different depending on where you're at, what kind of cars they have available. But yeah, those are that's the main reason why I like sticking with Alamo. Like I said, it's upfront. I mean, you might have to pay that extra $40, but if I know when I fly with Alamo, I know I ain't got nothing to worry about. But if I'm strapped on cash, I would have to go with that Avis. You know, I've already been registered, so I don't got to deal with it. I just recently actually had a nightmare with that Avis thing. Also, you want to make sure they're gonna tack on the extra holding fee too. Even if you do a prepay and your card's paid up, they're still gonna try to hold $250 depending on what kind of car it is. Make sure you have that money available on your card. I just had a whole mess on that. Like I said, if y'all want to hear that crazy story, we can get into that later. Let me know in the comments. It was a mess. But so I want to go back here. We already checked out Alamo and Avis. Let's check out Budget real quick. Just see what they got. You know what I mean? If Hurricane Ida's, you know what I mean, got you displaced, man, I know where I'll be trying to go with all that stress, man. Really out there feeling for you guys. I'll be heading on over to Florida, getting me old vacation in real quick while I could. You hear me? All right. So their pay now is $269. I think that's a little bit less. That's a little bit less than Alamo's. I don't know why you guys didn't tell me to leave this up so we could just go back and forth. But I messed up. Hold on, just give me a second. All right, so now we're gonna try Avis too real quick, just to compare the prices. All right, so SUV 183, budget's got 269. Oh, that's a standard elite. So this is the thing, 215. So Avis is gonna take the bank on that one. It's got the better deal all around. Budget, I've seen them have better deals sometimes. Like I said, they're the same company. They also do the Amazon discount, and then they also do the 30% off discount, like I said. And they're also the ones, you know, that they make it seem real good here, but then they're also going to tack on, you know, extra $100 here usually when you get up, you know, after you hit for taxes and everything. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, and everything out there in the world's crazy right now. So if I missed anything, y'all got any questions, make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one, man.